Hi, Madam and Sir. I am Geraldine Buhay, 43 years old. I am married. I have 4 children. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter. My husband is driver and my father is also a driver and my mother is dead. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am from Luntal, Tubi, Batangas, Philippines. I am Roman Catholic. I am a school graduate. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, groceries, and taking care of the children. I working as domestic helper in Jordan for 2 years. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 kid. And I also work as a local domestic helper in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family and 2 adults and 2 children for 2 years. And I am honest, loyal, and hardworking. Madam and Sir, if you heard me, I will do my best to serve your family better, and I treat your family as my family too, and I follow all the regulation that you gave it to me. Madam and Sir, I cannot cook a Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook your food. Thank you and God bless.